Okay, so this person, Benjamin, was trying to simplify this, and instead of using the power to power rule, he wrote it out as this times itself 3 times, right? So here's what he ended up with. So if we were going to carry on in this way, we would first multiply the coefficients together. 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. And then a to the negative 2 times a to the negative 2 times a to the negative 2, we add the exponents, right? So that's a to the negative 6. And then b times b times b is b to the third. And now we have to simplify. So we remember that it is not simplified if you have this negative exponent there. So this becomes 27b to the third over a to the positive 6. Remember, it is not simplified with a negative exponent.